Welcome to Home Classes, a digital initiative by Director School Education Jammu, Ms. Anuradha Gupta ji. Students, in the previous video, I discussed elements of a sentence. Today's topic is parts of speech. Well, students, nobody can learn English or any other language without the knowledge of parts of speech. Parts of speech are words which have a specific role in a sentence. All the words of any language have a distinct role in a language. This role can change, and so that part of speech also changes. Speak any word, and it is definitely some parts of speech according to its sense in the sentence. There are 9 parts of speech in English grammar. You need to have a clear idea, have a clear understanding of these in minimum words. Now, let us begin with noun. Noun is a name of a person, place, thing, idea. It means all the naming words are called noun. Name of a person, any person, name of places, name of all the things, name of ideas, feelings, emotions. In other words, all the naming words are called noun. Now, let us understand this with some examples. Ram is living in Jammu. Ram is name of a person and Jammu is name of a place. Both Ram and Jammu are nouns. We are watching TV. We are watching TV. TV is name of an object, name of thing. TV is also a noun. There are 4 boys and 5 girls in the class. There are 4 boys. Boys, name of persons. Girls, name of person. In the class. Class is a place. Now, the 3 words boys, girls, and class are naming words. So, we can say these words are nouns. Always speak the truth. Here, truth is noun. This is a word which gives us some idea. We can also say, we can also use other ideas or idea nouns. For example, falsehood, truth, honesty, freshness, love, care, etc. Now the other part of speech is pronoun. Simply, pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Now, let us understand it with examples. Cow is a pet animal. It gives us milk. Cow is a pet animal. It gives us milk. It means cow. We used the word it in place of noun cow. We can say it is a pronoun. Then we take another example. My father is a nice person. He loves all of us. Here we use he in place of my father. Father is a noun and he replaces it, it means it is pronoun. Us means we all the family members. The family members, family, noun, and us here pronoun. I have a very costly watch, but it does not give correct time. I have a very costly watch. Here watch is noun because name of a thing. And we use it in place of watch. It does not give correct time. Who does not give correct time? Watch. But we don't use watch here. Instead, we use it. Therefore, we can say it is pronoun. So, pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Now, student, we come to next part of speech, that is adjective. Adjective, the words are word giving more or specific information about noun or pronoun. Now, we can understand this with the help of some examples. A yellow shirt. Shirt, here shirt, name of object, name of some article, name of thing, that we can say shirt is a noun, name of a thing, noun. Yellow shirt. Yellow gives some specific information about shirt, color of the shirt. We can say yellow is a adjective. How is the shirt? Yellow. A heavy basket. Now here basket is noun. What is the weight of the basket? Heavy. Heavy word gives some information about basket. It adds something in sense of noun basket. We can say this is adjective. Another example is totally wrong. How much wrong? Totally wrong. Wrong is noun. It's idea. Name of idea. Wrong. How much wrong? Totally wrong. Totally is adjective. A tall tree. Tree is a name of thing. It is a noun. How the tree is? Tall. Tall is adjective. An iron rod. Rod is noun. And which material rod is made up of? Iron. The iron gives a specific information about noun. We can say that iron is adjective. Well, student, here we can understand the three parts of speech. We take a quick recap. Noun. Noun is a name of person, place, thing, or idea. And then pronoun. Pronoun is word used in place of noun. And then we come to adjective. Adjective word give more or specific information about noun or pronoun. Well, student, this is end of today's discussion. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.